Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix camera not focusing issue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and click on camera and then click on force stop. Now here click on OK to confirm, and after doing this your camera will start working properly. But if you are still facing the problem, then remove any protector that you have installed on your camera lens, and after removing the camera lens protector, clean your camera lens with a cloth. So that's how you can fix the camera not focusing issue in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.